Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
परत बाबा आनी एक न्यूज सारकी सोशल मिडियाचेर इवन आमकां न्यूज हितून मिडियांनी पळोवपाक मेळ्ळी की एक रॉक कार्विंगाची एक तांकां कितें स्टेटस मेळ्ळा म्हणून ताका रिकॉग्निशन मेळ्ळा म्हणून कितें एक्झॅक्टली तें
There are archaeological sites which are of state importance notified by State Department of Archaeology. There are archaeological sites and monuments which are of national importance which gets notification and legal protection from Archaeological Survey of India, Government of India. There are some monuments which have got universal importance, global importance. Such monuments and sites are recognized by Unesco as World Heritage. For example, Old Goa, churches at Old Goa are considered as World Heritage. Now, last year, along with cooperation from Maharashtra State Archaeology and Archaeology Department of Goa, we have applied for Konkan coast to be declared as hotspot for rock art. If we see Konkan coast of Maharashtra, including the portion of Goa, we have several sites where prehistoric rock engravings are found, and these are several in numbers. And considering this region, which is very extremely important for prehistoric heritage, this proposal was submitted to World Heritage section of Archaeological Survey of India, and the first step in this direction has begun, wherein the UNESCO has accepted this proposal in their tentative list of World Heritage sites. But as a procedure, this is just a beginning, and so far it is not yet declared as World Heritage because the procedure has begun, and we have to submit a detailed dossier along with the Department of Archaeology and Museums, Maharashtra government, and we are in process of preparing that dossier. And once that dossier is submitted to UNESCO, then only further course of action, inspection, reports, visits by experts will take place. And there is a lot more to go, but it is a good news that we have been accepted, our proposal has been accepted in the tentative list of World Heritage.
डिक्लेअर केल्या म्हणटा ते रॉंग न्यूज.
Yeah, it is rumor that it is seen in social media as well as in print media that it is declared as World Heritage. It is not yet declared, but the proposal has been accepted for consideration.
ओके, हे जॉईंटली करता महाराष्ट्र आणि गोवा काय वेगळे वेगळे ते प्रोजेक्ट?
No, since the proposal is for declaring hotspot of Konkan region as a rock art heritage, so it is jointly done by the Department of Archaeology and Museums, Government of Maharashtra, and Department of Archaeology, Government of Goa jointly, and the procedure are still on.
फोटो सर्क्युलेट जाता पळय न्हू, तो एकूच जाता, ते सर्कल रावंड अशें केल्ले आहा ते, पण तुमच्या हितून तो एकूच आसता न्हू, तुमच्या हितून खूब आसतले न्हू?
No, though we have proposed that entire Konkan belt, including districts of Ratnagiri and Sindhudurga of Maharashtra, and North Goa and South Goa districts of Goa, there are several sites, but one site from Goa is included in this proposal, that is Pansoimol, and there are more than 100 rock engravings at Pansoimol, out of which the concentric circle, what is the photo, what is circulated now, that concentric circle has become an identity of this site globally. So that is why that particular photograph is being circulated.
आणि कितलो टायम वचपाक शकता डिक्लेअर जावपाक, सगळो प्रोसेस ऑन टायम म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी घेतलो जाल्यार?
Okay, as per procedure, once this proposal is accepted in the tentative list, after 1 year we have to submit the dossier, final dossier. So now the procedure is on to appoint an agency for preparation of dossier by Government of Maharashtra. Once that agency is on board, it will take 1 year to prepare the dossier, and once that dossier is submitted, then it will take at least a year. So more than 2 years are required hereafter.
ओके, तेका मागीर एकदां डिक्लेअर जाल्या उपरांत ह्या फूल बेल्टाक रॉक कार्विंगाचें म्हणून एक टुरिजम इम्पॉर्टन्स येतलें न्हू?
Yeah, the most important thing is that it will get the global attention. It will get global recognition as a heritage hotspot, and it will definitely attract tourism. It will help in growth of tourism, but more than that, it will help in bringing global recognition to this area, which is natural heritage as well as cultural heritage.